Welcome once again, kings and queens, to another location with Hot in the World. Here, I'm your host, once again, Lady Redbone. We are here in Winter Haven, Florida at the Legoland, Florida Vacation Resort. So come along and let's have some fun. And we're back here again at the Legoland in Florida, so check it out. One of the great aspects of the park, as soon as you walk in through the doors, they have this station here where you can have yourself or your child measured to make sure that they are at the proper height in order to enjoy all of the attractions. So let's get started. I am definitely the right height to enjoy ourselves, so let's go have some fun. Kingdom Come! You have to stop by here. The Lego replicas are awesome. I don't know who put this together, but it's spectacular. And it's a great location for children to play, especially when you need a quick break.